Are you tired of complicated fitness plans that leave you feeling overwhelmed before you even start? Imagine a simple 30-day challenge that requires no equipment, can be done at home, and gets real results. Today, we're kicking off a beginner-friendly weight loss challenge that's all about balance, easy-to-follow workouts, simple nutrition, and most importantly, lasting change. This isn't just another fat diet or intense workout program. This 30-day challenge is designed for anyone looking to lose weight in a healthy, sustainable way. Whether you're new to fitness or just want to reset your routine, this plan will guide you step by step through workouts and nutrition tips that are easy to follow and highly effective. Ready to get started? Part 1. The workout plan, your daily routine. We're breaking down this challenge into a weekly structure that's simple but powerful. The focus is on full body workouts, cardio, and rest days to help you recover and build muscle. Here's your weekly workout breakdown for the next 30 days. Workout days. Day 1, Day 3, Day 5, full body workouts. Day 2, Day 4, light cardio. Day 6, Day 7, rest and recovery. Full body workout routine. Day 1, 3, 5. Each of these workout days will focus on exercises that target multiple muscle groups. Here's what your workout looks like. Number 1, squats. 3 sets of 15 repetitions. How to do it. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips back and down as if you're sitting in a chair. Then push back up to standing. Tip: keep your chest up, knees aligned over your toes. Rest 30 seconds after each set. Number 2, push-ups. 3 sets of 10 repetitions. How to do it. Start in a plank position, hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. Modification: if full push-ups are too hard, drop to your knees. Rest 30 seconds after each set. Number 3, lunges. 3 sets of 12 repetitions, each leg. How to do it. Step forward with your right leg. Lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and repeat with the left leg. Tip: keep your torso straight and engage your core. Rest 30 seconds after each set. Number 4, plank. 3 sets of 30 seconds hold. How to do it. Get into a forearm plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from shoulders to ankles. Hold for 30 seconds. Tip: don't let your hips sag or raise too high. Rest 30 seconds after each set. Number 5, glute bridges. 3 sets of 15 repetitions. How to do it. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top, then lower back down. Tip: don't rush this movement. Focus on the squeeze at the top. Rest 30 seconds after each set. Light cardio days. Day 2, Day 4. On cardio days, we'll focus on simple, low-impact exercises that get your heart rate up without putting too much strain on your body. Here are 2 options. Option 1, brisk walking. 30 minutes. Aim for a pace where it's challenging to hold a conversation, but not so fast that you're completely out of breath. Option 2, jumping jacks, plus high knees circuit. Jumping jacks, 3 sets of 1 minute. High knees, 3 sets of 1 minute. Rest 30 seconds between each exercise. This will help boost your cardiovascular health and burn extra calories. Rest days. Day 6, Day 7. Don't skip your rest days. These are crucial for recovery, preventing injuries, and letting your muscles rebuild. If you feel stiff or sore, consider doing some light stretching or yoga. Part 2, simple nutrition tips for weight loss. Now, let's talk about nutrition. It's often said that abs are made in the kitchen, and that's absolutely true. But don't worry, this isn't about crash diets or extreme restrictions. Instead, we're focusing on sustainable, balanced eating that supports your weight loss goals. Number 1, prioritize whole foods. Fill your plate with lean proteins like chicken, fish, or plant-based options, along with plenty of vegetables and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Number 2, reduce processed foods and sugary drinks. Cutting back on processed snacks and sugary beverages can make a huge difference in how you feel and how quickly you see results. Number 3, hydration is key. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Staying hydrated will help with muscle recovery and keep your metabolism running smoothly. Number 4, track what you eat. Consider keeping a food diary or using an app to track your meals. This helps you stay mindful of what you're eating without obsessing over calories. Part 3. Staying motivated throughout the 30 days. Let's be honest, staying motivated over 30 days can be tough, especially when results don't come immediately. But here's a tip. Focus on consistency over perfection. Even if you can't do every rep or if you have an off day with your diet, don't give up. It's about progress, not perfection. Tip 1. Keep a journal. Write down how you feel after each workout. Noticing improvements in energy, strength, or mood can be a huge motivator. Tip 2. Take progress photos. Instead of relying solely on the scale, take photos of yourself at the beginning, midway, and end of the challenge. You'll be surprised by the subtle changes that don't always show up in numbers. Tip 3. Celebrate small wins. Lost an inch off your waist, feel stronger in your planks. Celebrate those small victories because they add up over time. Conclusion. Start your 30-day challenge today. This is your moment. The next 30 days could change everything, not just how you look, but how you feel, how you approach fitness, and how you treat your body. It's time to make a commitment to yourself. You don't need fancy equipment or extreme diets, just dedication and the willingness to show up every day. So, hit that subscribe button and let's get started on this 30-day journey together. Your transformation begins now.